Okay, today I'm going to teach you how to record your screen using Microsoft PowerPoint. It's a pretty simple thing to do. Let's go down and look at Microsoft PowerPoint. Let's open that up. Normally this starts you off at the Home tab, which you'll see here. You'll go over to the Record tab, hit that, hit Screen Recording, and then when you hit the selected area, then you'll be able to select the area that you intend on recording. Now anything inside of this rectangle will be recorded when you hit this record button, which I'll do right here. You'll get this countdown, 3, 2, 1. Remember, Shift, Windows key, and Q will stop the recording. So anything you do now is going to record inside of this red rectangle. So I'll give you an example. I'm going to go to my YouTube channel, one of them. Go Philadelphia. And I can do whatever I want inside of this red rectangle. Let's look at details of this video here. I can make adjustments, but this is what I can use to show somebody and narrate in the background. And when I'm done, I'm going to hit the Windows Shift and Q, and inside of PowerPoint, this is what comes up. Now what I can do is I can hit this play button while in PowerPoint and see what the video showed. And you can see my mouse on that little video there, it moving around. This was me talking during the video, and going to my YouTube channel. You'll get the idea, right? So everything inside of that red rectangle I talked to you about was recorded. Okay, so I'm going to stop that there. I'm going to right click, and then what it does is it gives me the option to save media as whatever. Now it's going to save it as an MP4. I can choose where to save that to, and then from there I can do whatever in the world I want. I can put that into any kind of video editing software and then upload that to any social media or company video software. And that's it. Thanks for tuning in, and have a great day.